We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler with handle and straw, 30 ounces, in indigo. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler has become a phenomenon in the world of insulated drinkware, and it is easy to see why. This product, manufactured by Stanley, boasts a blend of practical features, robust construction, and a design that appeals to a wide range of users. The 30-ounce capacity strikes a balance between portability and sufficient hydration, making it suitable for both everyday use and travel. The indigo color option is particularly popular, with many reviewers noting its attractive and vibrant appearance. One of the standout features of the Stanley Quencher H2.0 is its double-wall vacuum insulation. This technology ensures that drinks remain cold, iced, or hot for extended periods. Multiple users report that ice remains solid for well over 12 hours, with some stating that their drinks stayed cold overnight or even for 2 days. This level of insulation performance is a major selling point, especially for those who need their beverages to stay at the desired temperature throughout a busy day or during long commutes. The advanced flow state lid is another aspect that receives consistent praise. The lid features a rotating cover with 3 distinct positions: a straw opening that resists splashes and secures the reusable straw, a drink opening for sipping, and a full cover top for enhanced leak resistance. Reviewers highlight the superior functionality of this lid compared to competitors such as Hydro Flask and Yeti. The straw itself is described as perfect for effortless drinking, and the overall lid system is considered more versatile and user-friendly than most alternatives. Portability is further enhanced by the ergonomic Comfort Grip handle. This handle makes it easy to carry the tumbler to work, the gym, or on outdoor adventures. The narrow base, designed to fit most car cup holders, is another practical touch that users appreciate, as it allows the tumbler to be kept within easy reach during travel. The only exception is the 64-ounce version, which may not fit standard cup holders, but the 30-ounce model reviewed here is fully compatible. Sustainability is a core part of the Stanley Quencher H2.0's appeal. The tumbler is constructed from 90% recycled BPA-free stainless steel, making it an environmentally friendly choice. By using this tumbler, consumers can significantly reduce their reliance on single-use plastic bottles and straws. The durability of the stainless steel construction is widely praised, with many users noting that the tumbler stands up well to daily use and repeated washing. Cleaning the Stanley Quencher H2.0 is straightforward, thanks to its dishwasher-safe design. Both the tumbler and the lid can be placed in the dishwasher, which saves time and ensures a thorough clean. Unlike some plastic bottles that can retain odors or stains, the stainless steel construction of this tumbler comes out pristine after each wash, maintaining its appearance and hygiene over time. Stanley's commitment to quality is backed by a lifetime warranty. This warranty, which has been a hallmark of the brand since 1913, gives users peace of mind that their investment is protected. Many reviewers mention that the warranty was a deciding factor in their purchase, as it reflects the company's confidence in the longevity and reliability of their products. In terms of aesthetics, the indigo color is a clear favorite among buyers. The glossy finish and solid pattern give the tumbler a modern and stylish look that stands out from the crowd. The logo embellishment is subtle yet distinctive, adding to the overall appeal without being overly flashy. The tumbler's cylindrical shape and well-proportioned dimensions make it comfortable to hold and easy to store in bags or cup holders. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 is marketed as suitable for both cold and hot drinks, and user feedback supports this claim. Whether you prefer iced water, hot coffee, or a smoothie, the tumbler maintains the desired temperature for hours. The 30-ounce capacity is generous enough to reduce the need for frequent refills, yet not so large as to become unwieldy. This makes it an ideal companion for work, school, travel, or outdoor activities. Customization is another aspect that users appreciate. The tumbler is easy to personalize with stickers or other accessories, allowing individuals to make their Stanley uniquely their own. The weight of the tumbler is described as just right, not too heavy when full, but substantial enough to feel durable and stable. Despite its many strengths, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 is not without its drawbacks. Some users report that the tumbler can leak if not handled carefully, particularly if the lid is not securely closed or if the tumbler is tipped over. The need to place the tumbler on flat ground to prevent tipping is mentioned by several reviewers. Additionally, while the stainless steel construction is durable, the glossy finish can be prone to scratches if the tumbler is dropped or comes into contact with abrasive surfaces. These issues are relatively minor in the context of overall satisfaction, but they are worth considering for those who prioritize leak-proof performance or scratch resistance. Another point raised by users is the tumbler's tendency to tip over if placed on uneven surfaces. The narrow base, while excellent for cup holder compatibility, means that the tumbler is less stable on rough or sloped terrain. This is a common trade-off in travel tumblers, and users recommend being mindful of where the tumbler is placed to avoid spills. The price of the Stanley Quencher H2.0 is generally considered reasonable given its quality, features, and performance. Many reviewers compare it favorably to other high-end brands, noting that it delivers similar or better results at a competitive price point. The value is further enhanced by the inclusion of a reusable straw and the robust warranty coverage. Gift-giving potential is another theme that emerges from user reviews. The tumbler is frequently purchased as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Its attractive design, practical features, and wide appeal make it a popular choice for Secret Santa exchanges or as a thoughtful present for friends and family. The variety of color options allows buyers to select a tumbler that matches the recipient's personal style. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 also enjoys a strong reputation for reliability. Several users mentioned that they were initially skeptical of the hype surrounding the product, but after using it, they became converts. The tumbler's ability to keep drinks cold for extended periods, combined with its ease of use and cleaning, wins over even those who have tried other premium brands. The positive word of mouth and high ratings, 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 700 reviews, reflect widespread satisfaction. For those who have previously used tumblers from brands like Hydro Flask or Yeti, the Stanley Quencher H2.0's lid system stands out as a significant improvement. The 3-position flow-state lid offers greater flexibility and spill resistance, and the straw is favored for its comfort and ease of use. The ability to switch between straw, sip, and full cover modes adds convenience for different drinking preferences and situations. The environmental benefits of the Stanley Quencher H2.0 should not be overlooked. With its focus on reusability and recycled materials, this tumbler aligns with the growing demand for sustainable products. By choosing the Stanley Quencher, users can reduce their environmental footprint while enjoying a high-performance, stylish, and practical hydration solution. In summary, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 tumbler with handle and straw, 30 ounces, in indigo, is a product that lives up to its reputation. Its combination of superior insulation, innovative lid design, comfortable handle, and sustainable construction makes it a standout choice in the crowded market of insulated drinkware. The few drawbacks, such as potential for leaks if not handled properly and susceptibility to scratches, are outweighed by the many advantages. The tumbler's popularity is well-deserved, and it is recommended for anyone seeking a reliable, stylish, and eco-friendly solution for keeping drinks at the perfect temperature. If you have experience with the Stanley Quencher H2.0 tumbler, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring you more in-depth reviews like this one.